Ftit tal-jimilu salva mal-1200 persuna f'7 missjonijiet ta' salvataġġ. L-HMS Bulwark intbat f'missjoni ta' 60 ġurnata fil-Mediterran biex jgħin fis-salvataġġi ta' immigranti. Sissa il-Bulwark salva kważi 3000 persuna. Il-Bulwark waqaf għal xi ftit jien f'pajjiżna għal xi tiswijiet. Tkellimna mal-kaptan Nick Cook-Priest.
There are an awful lot of people who are trying to make a very dangerous journey across the Mediterranean, most of whom will have no idea what danger and what peril they are being put into. So it's a very serious situation. Lives are being lost every day at sea. We are doing our best to try and save those people from the perils of the sea. We'll continue to do that, but yes, it's a serious situation.
L-HMS Bulwark jiddaħlu l-immigranti, ikunu identifikati, jieħdu ħsiebhom u jsirulhom testijiet bażiċi. Fosthom ikun hemm tfal u nisa tqal. Riċentement ġiet salvata mara li bdiet twellet abbord u eventwalment ittieħdet l-isptar. Il-kaptan irrakkonta dak li jaraw.
We see a lot of dehydration, we see seasickness, and we see very, very tired people. Of course, they've been exposed to the elements, and they're also carrying out this journey, perhaps on the back end of a long journey across land. They're very tired, they need shelter, they need water, they need food. So that's primarily what we give them first off.
HMS Bulwark jaħdem b'koordinazzjoni ma' bastimenti navali u merkantili oħra kif ukoll ma' ċentri ta' informazzjoni f'Malta u l-Italja. Staqsejna lill-kaptan dwar l-ekwipaġġ.
Well, I've got 350 people on board my ship, and I've been augmented by a further 50 to 100 people to help me with this particular task. In terms of how many are actually out there at sea at the moment working alongside us, I can't tell you that, I'm afraid, but there are other ships there. And of course, it's the duty of all other mariners to help people on the high seas when they're in distress. So there's probably tens of thousands. They may not know it.